Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you page number 11 and our topic is my and your. My means mera and your means tumhara. And in the first picture we can see there are two men and this man is telling to the other man that this is my hat. This is my hat and that is your hat. This is my hat and that is your hat. वो जो दूर वाली है वो है तुम्हारी hat. And in the next picture there are two cars in red color and two boys, and the boy who is in yellow shirt is telling to this boy that this is my car. This is my car and that is your car. वो जो दूर खड़ी है वो तुम्हारी कार. And in the next picture we can see that there is a hen and a snake, and hen is telling to a snake that this is not your egg, this is my egg, this is my egg and that is your egg. अब वो snake को कह रही है कि वो जो दूर है वो तुम्हारा अंडा है. Okay students, hope you understand this page, and we will move to the copy, and on the copy we will read or write page number 27, and our question is dictation words, and the first word is apple. These are dictation words and you have to learn all these words orally, or you have to write here 2 times E-double-G egg, and the next one is key, K-E-Y, key, and the next one is orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, and the next is P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. And students, please write all these words 2 times. Okay, like this. Practice these spellings on this page and page number 28, and our next page is 29, and in this page we will do missing letters. Apple, A-double-P-L-E, apple, E-double-G, egg, K-E-Y, key, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, and what is missing in pencil? E. E is missing. So write here 2 times like this. Okay students, you have to write 2 times and complete this page like this. Okay students, practice these words on the next page, page number 30. Hope you understand my lecture. See you next time in the next video. Allah Hafiz.